Welcome to our lesson on creating a surface sweep using a guide curve. I've started with a sketch. I won't dimension my sketch, and why will be obvious in just a minute. Now let's create path curves. Normal to. I'll use a 3-point arc. Place it about here. Exit the sketch now. Now I'll insert reference planes. Reference geometry, plane. OK. And I'll create a guide curve. Right-click, sketch. Let's create one more 3-point arc. Right-click and select to exit the arc tool. Now I'm going to select this point and this curve. Add a pierce relation. The guide curve has to be attached to the profile. Let's exit the sketch. Now we're ready to create our sweep. Activate the Swept Surface tool. The profile will be this rectangle. The path, sketch 2 for my path. Now we select the guide curve. Let's look at the options now. I'm going to select Follow Path and First Guide Curve for my orientation twist type. And here is our swept surface using a guide curve. Now let's try it out again, and this time we'll attempt to dimension our profile. I'm going to Shift Select and add an equal relation. Let's apply dimensions now. OK, and exit the sketch. We get an error message. Solidworks can't calculate the swept surface because the profile is defined and can't be changed. Let's delete the dimension. Exit the sketch, and now everything is fine. This time Solidworks was able to calculate the loft. And by the way, you're not limited to using only one guide curve for your profile, so take some time to experiment with that. This concludes our lesson about creating a swept surface using a guide curve.